Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be creating two amazing patterns using colors in the Python Turtle library. For more such videos, you can refer to our Learn Python series. So let's get started. First thing is to import the Turtle library as T, and second is we will just use random from the NumPy library. So import random as R. Now the next thing, we can set the background color of the screen as black, and we also have to write main loop so that the total screen doesn't disappear. So t dot main loop. So let us first create a dictionary. Let's say cc. So he named the dictionary as cc. Now we will set 6 colors here, and it's our choice. We can set as many colors as we want. So let us start. So for 0, let us say magenta. Then for 1, we'll say blue. Then for 2, we can say yellow. And then 3, we can say green. Or better, we just take red here and we'll take blue here. So it's our choice. We can take it anyway. But I thought that this color sequence will repeat. So I thought after magenta, red will be good, then yellow, then green, and then blue. So we can take it anyway as we want. And then 5, let it be black. Okay, so our dictionary is ready. And now the next thing is to use the for loop. So we'll just write for I in range, and let us just set the range to 30, and we will see how much it should go after we run the program. So here we will be making a circle. So circle of 50 radius maybe, and here we will be writing t dot color cc, and cc is the name of the dictionary, and I %6, which means that this all color from 0 to 5, this will repeat again and again as our for loop goes on. So let us first run this if this works or not. Okay, so we can say a circle, and then we can see colors, different colors circles here, but it's overlapping, and that's why only one circle is visible. Okay, so to does not make it overlap, what can we do? We can rotate it a bit, and we can say to move forward. So let us just say first to move forward by 2, let us say. Okay, so now you can see different colors here, and you can see this is forming a straight line. So for that, to see it faster, we can just set this t dot speed 0. So you can see it's creating a straight line. Let us increase this, and now we can see this. So a straight line is formed. That means to make it a circular pattern, we need to rotate it. So we can just write here t dot left, and here we can say 1 degree. We can rotate it 2 degree also. We can rotate it as we want. So you can see this color pattern is formed. Now we need to complete it. To complete it, what can we do is we just have to increase this. So let's say if we write 360 and then we run, so it's going on and on with different colors as you said. We could have set it with your, it might give a better result then. So you can see a circular pattern is going to form, and after this we'll make another pattern. So a circular pattern is formed. So if we change these colors, let us set it to Vibgyor. So violet, indigo, blue. This one is yellow, and this one will be orange, and we will add one which will be red. Because we have added the number of colors here, we need to change it here. So total and we've got the 7 colors, so we have written here 7. Now let us see. So you can see the pattern is formed with a bit change in color. Now we have set the color to be Vibgyor, and this Vibgyor color is repeated again and again as we have set in the program. So let us wait for this pattern to be completed and then we'll move to the next pattern. So it's gonna complete, and yeah, it's completed. So a beautiful pattern is formed, but now let us make a more beautiful one. So we'll just comment this, and we'll comment another pattern. Okay, so our another pattern is to use the color system. Here we will use total and color system. So we have already imported total as T before. Now we will import the colors, and using this we will form a beautiful pattern. So one type of color system is HSV, which is hue saturation value, and the value tells the level of brightness, and saturation tells of course the level of saturation, and H, if you change the value of H, it will change the color. So let us just use that. So hue is 0 at once, and then we will use the for loop. So for I in range, and we saw about that we need to use the for loop 360 times to complete the pattern, and then we'll write RGB is equal to colors dot HSV to RGB, and then we'll set a hue comma 1 comma 1. We can even change the brightness of by changing the number here, this value we can change, and accordingly the brightness will be changed, and we can even change the saturation by changing this number. Okay, so let us make the circle and we'll define the color here RGB. Circle be of 50 radius, and let us see what it makes. Okay, so we have made only one circle, and that's why it showed one circle. Now if we just say t dot left 1, as we set above also, this t dot left 1 and t dot forward 2 to make it a circular pattern, and also that we need to change the value of hue, otherwise the same color will be visible. So for that what can we do is we'll can write hue equals to hue plus, and this value of hue it can vary from 0 to 1. So we can simply write the value 1 upon 360. So it is this. So let us just copy this much, and now let us go. So we can see this beautiful pattern. So the circle is of 50 radius. We can even see after increasing it. So our pattern is gonna complete, and this color is overlapping the previous one. So we can increase the size, but this is a beautiful one. Let us just increase the size. Let it be 150. But then we need to bring a circle down. So let us say where it is starting from. So it's starting from this home. So we'll bring it down to here. So for that we can use go to. So we'll write t dot up, t dot round down, and here we will use go to. So the x is fine, and for the y we can say -100. Let us just see this works. No, I think it's too big. It's not adjust here, so let us keep this 100. Now let us see. So accordingly we can set the radius and the position and make this beautiful pattern. Okay, so with this big radius, we need to rotate it by a bigger angle. So let us say we say 10, then what happens? And we can even increase this, right? So if we say 4, now we just see. Okay, so we are here with a new pattern. So this the color of this circular pattern is changing again and again. So it is looking so beautiful. By this we can change how much forward it should move, how much it has to rotate, and we can even set the color manually as we saw in the first pattern, and we can give it using the color system as we are seeing it right now. So let us just try this more. If we say it like this, then what happens? So a pattern is made, and you can see this. We can bring it down so that it is visible. So let's say this to be 2. So 200. Now let us first clear this and see this again. And wow, what a beautiful pattern has been formed. So in this video, not just two, we made many different patterns and we saw how to make different beautiful patterns just by changing these three values, the forward one, the left, and the circle. If you increase the hue, or if you decrease the increment of hue, like if you increase only 0.0002, or if you increase it more, then accordingly the different colors will be made, and you can even change the brightness continuously by this, and by changing the this value, and like this you can make several patterns. So